Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome to the channel. This morning I'm doing a really quick warm-up of birds, cartoon birds. Um, I really enjoy doing birds, first of all, because they're really simple most of the time. If you start getting into the wings, whenever they're open, of course, it's a little more complex, but I love the simple shapes of whenever you have the birds at rest, whether it be a bird of prey, a like an eagle or a hawk, or a bird similar to this, which is like a parrot or a small tropical bird. So I'm working on Bristol board today with the Collinoor pencil again, and you know, this is just literally I sat down. I was like, what am I going to draw this morning as a warm up? And then I moved on to a rooster. Trying to kind of change up the shapes and change up my mental thought and adding those little accoutrements that makes a rooster. That little headpiece and of course the kind of gobbler thing at the bottom. I really don't know what that thing's called. um, and again, just doing, just exercising. Literally, it's exercising. It's artistic exercising in the morning before I get on to my rather large list of commitments for my business. I encourage you guys to sit down and whatever the subject matter is, whether it's birds, whether it's four-legged or bipedal or creatures or whatever it is, you can really accumulate a huge amount of work and a body of work by doing something small every single day. Um, and I definitely encourage you to do that. It also, not only does it get your hand moving, but it also educates your brain and fills up that artistic bank account in your brain to be able to do things without having to look at reference all the time. And, reference is great, but being able to do things like this just adds to the ability of an artist and illustrator, to create stories and to translate, ideas into visual format. So anyway, that's pretty much all I wanted to show you guys this morning. I'm going to be doing something a little bit different, I believe. Maybe doing a small course or something along those lines. Trying to really kind of get my feet wet and teach some of the basic principles of drawing and artistic expression using the tools that I use and have used over the years, from electronic to traditional media. And that's pretty much it. So like and subscribe if you like what you see. And as always, go out and draw something and make the world beautiful. Talk to you soon, guys. Bye.